In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Ads Manager account. First, open your browser and search Google Ads Manager and click on the first site. You should see a window like this. You'll use this account to manage all the Google account that granted you access. You can manage clients and campaigns using this account. Then, to create the account, click Go to Manager Account. After that, enter your Google Ads Manager account name. Enter it carefully as you can't change it later. Then, choose primary use of the account. I'll choose Manage Other People's Account. Choose your billing country, time zone, and currency. And then, click Submit to create the manager account. Once created, you can start adding and managing multiple Google Ads accounts from one dashboard. And that's it. That's how you create a Google Ads Manager account. Thanks for watching.